Hi, my name is Brittany and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video today. As you can probably tell from my special guest here, today we are decorating the house for Halloween and I cannot wait to share it all with you. I had such a good time this year decorating. I had some really cute ideas, at least I thought so, and I really want to share them here with all of you because I know you love decorating for the holidays as much as I do. So, without further ado, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's get decorating. First things first, I am taking all the Halloween decor out of their storage bins so I can take a quick little inventory and see what I'm going to be working with this year. I didn't buy very many new things for Halloween. Most of the things you'll see in this video are things I've used in years past, with the exception of some really cool lights that I'm about to show you in a minute and a few other little pieces here and there. Mostly everything has been collected over the years. I found these really cool hanging candle lights at Pottery Barn this year. I decided to create a focal piece with them in the front living room. I did check online before I posted this video, and unfortunately, I think they are sold out, but I have linked similar ones down below because these were just one of the coolest things I stumbled across this year when I was looking at Halloween decor, and I could not pass them up. Using a bunch of different just black candlesticks and tapered candles on the table underneath this light feature because I wanted it to look like some of the candlesticks from the table had just floated up off the table, which I thought would be kind of cool. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. as you can see, I just got in my fall Bath & Body Works candle order. I am going to share a little haul of all of this over on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me there if you are curious to see what I got this year and what my favorite scents are for fall. So these black sconces that I am hanging on each side of the fireplace this year are actually family heirlooms. They used to hang in my great-grandparents' kitchen many years ago. I love using pieces like this that have a story in my decor or in my seasonal decor. I think it just makes it so much more special. And I thought these black sconces would be perfect on each side of the fireplace for Halloween this year. that is it for this Halloween decorating video. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us a little bit today. I want to let you know that I am going to upload another video that is just a quick Halloween home tour, so if you're just interested in seeing the finished product, that video will be up on my channel. I am also going to upload a Halloween nighttime home tour on my Instagram. So if you're not following me over on Instagram, make sure to do that if you're interested in seeing what this place looks like after dark. Thank you again so much for watching this video. I am so grateful for you, and I hope I see you again soon. Bye!